So, what do you guys think of the new background? I know, I didn't really change it that much. I mean, I tried to, but then I chickened out and I put it all back. I always think that I like change a lot more than I do, but I did experiment with it. And this is still like a work in progress. I want to be able to like switch it up with the seasons and stuff, but I'm pretty happy with it. I did throw in some more greenery because I do love a good plant. And by the way, these are all fake, so they won't die on me because as you guys know, I will kill any plant that I look at. Hello everyone! I'm here today to share with you guys a new testing of a product that I saw recently on the Sephora website, and it looked so cool that I had to give it a try. And it's by Incredible Listen Hard Girl Real Neon Lip Paint. This is supposed to be the first ever fluorescent neon lip paint. It is supposed to be incredibly glowing, super bright, which is perfect for festival season, for summertime. You guys know I love me a good bright lip. This stuff has been selling like crazy on the Sephora website. I believe it's only available online. I think it's already sold out in the Sephora Canada website, and I wanted to give it a try. I wanted to see like how glowing is this product? Is it super neon, or is it just like, yeah, this is a bright lip, but like there's 1,000 of them. I also want to see how long lasting it is and what it actually looks like by the end of the night under a black light. Is it just gonna look like chunks of neon in sort of my face area? Because that would be gross. But even if you don't plan on being under a black light, I did want to see how neon and vibrant and like over the top this is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy it and you want to see more of these testing of products. If you have any requests for ones, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to click on the little notification bell so you don't miss when new videos go live. And without further ado, let's get into this. So online it's saying that it has a mousse-like consistency. It's going to be super hydrating and comfortable. It doesn't dry down completely matte. It is also not kiss proof, but the color is supposed to make it look electric under black light, which I'm pretty excited about. I mean, I don't have a black light in my everyday light, though I did buy some so I could test it out because who knows? And also these things are only $10, which considering that it's sold at Sephora is pretty cool. That's like on the low end for Sephora. Actually, you know what? That ties pretty much with a lot of drugstore brands, if I'm honest. They have She's Arrived, which is a bright pink, and I'm Hot Right Now, which is a bright orange. I'm gonna put them both on the lips. We're gonna see what it looks like. So let's zoom this puppy in. So I'm just gonna remove everything off of my lips and make sure they're nice and dry. And I think I'm gonna start with the bright orange one. So the consistency, if you guys can see that, is it's very bright. It is almost moussey, kind of a thicker consistency. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that's bright. I hope this is actually picking up on camera because whoa. The consistency of this is a little bit on the streaky side. It is very movable, not like one of those ones that just like kind of dries down instantly. So that is one coat right there. It is a little bit streaky. It feels like a nice creamy, like a nice creamy balm. Also, I do like the fact that the applicator here, it's flat on the top, which makes it really nice to like carve a good line and create sort of a boundary to where you want to put the color in. So I'm gonna put on another coat of this and see if I can even out some of the streakiness. All right, so there's 2 coats on. If I'm just gonna wear it like this, I don't really love how it looks. It just looks a little bit patchy, especially for something so vibrant and very like eye-catching. I want it to look perfect, you know, and I just feel like it doesn't. It is bright. It is traffic cone bright. But I don't know, how it's sitting isn't like, I'm not really vibing it. But before I take it off, I want to see what this looks like under a black light. Hang on. Okay, black light is on. So let's see what this looks like. It is glowing. Oh my gosh, that looks so creepy. But you can also notice that it is only glowing in the areas where the neon is. So anytime it's like patchy and stuff, it doesn't look really clean and just really bold. I don't know. I'm disappointed this one. I don't like it. Let's move on to the next. Okay, so now let's try this pink shade. Ooh, that is bright pink. I like that. Oh, hang on, I think my lighting is a little too strong for this. There we go, I think that's a little bit better. You can see it is very bright pink. Like I would wear this outside during the day when there is no black light. So looking at it up close, it is definitely not as streaky as the orange one. Let's see what happens when we put another coat on. That is so much more like neon and vibrant. I'm gonna try and take a picture with my phone and see if I can actually capture how neon it looks. I feel like at least in my little display, it's just not capturing it. And now having just seen it in natural light, it is beautiful. I really like this one. It is bright, it is over the top, super summery, in love. But just because I have them, let's see what they look like with the black light. I bought them for this video. I am dedicated. Actually, before I put on the black lights, like this is what it looks like in just the dark. There are no lights on, and I tried to like close a bunch and up the ISO so you guys can actually see what it looks like, but it is still like really bright. Black light on. Okay, let's see what this one looks like. Oh, yes. This is what I'm talking about. So, you know, this one looks so much better under the black light. Like, this looks amazing, really over the top and fun and different. However, you are going to be touching it up all night long. Anytime you take a drink, you're gonna have to touch it up. So that's just something to keep in mind. I think this would look so cute for the gram, having some photos and stuff like that. And for 10 bucks, I think that's perfectly reasonable and like super fun. But don't expect this to look flawless all night. I look hilarious under a black light. Oh, look at that. Look at that highlight. Yeah, that's what they need next. They need a neon poppin' I want to see a glow in the dark neon highlight. I just want my highlight to be glowing in every black light situation. So I'm gonna keep this on for the day because I am kind of curious how this is going to wear. Like, is it going to fade really naturally? Is it gonna look really patchy and streaky? So far, don't love the orange one. I do really like the pink one. It is bright and summery and fun, and I think it's really pretty. I will continue to wear this one. I think that it is something that I would personally wear for like photos or for a party. This is not something that I would wear like all day to a festival because I would be constantly having to touch it up and finding a mirror and like doing all that stuff. I just think that would be super annoying. But I think for some photos, this would be really fun because let's be honest, this product is pretty much made for Instagram. That is it. So that's my experience with it so far, but I will check in with you guys tonight and we'll see how everything is wearing, my likes, my dislikes, all that stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna get on with my day and I'll check in with you guys in a bit.
Hey guys, so I'm deciding to do this vlog style with my phone because I found that, I don't know, the color's just not picking up the way that I want it to in my regular lights. So I will show you guys here. But what I found was that if you want it to last, doing like a really thin layer works a lot better than it seems to wear a lot smoother and wear off a lot, like just it settles down to more of a stain. I don't know how to explain it. I just liked it a lot better. I found that when I had the 2 layers on, it was just getting really patchy and just didn't look as good. And yeah, it's not super expensive, so it's like just a fun thing, more of Instagram festivals, that kind of thing. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. Would you buy it? Would you not buy it? What do you think? And don't forget to check out the video that I did on Sunday, which was a buy or buy on the Flower Beauty brand. A lot of you guys have been requesting that, so I shared my favorite products from the line, the products that I think weren't that great, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. So go and check out that video and let me know you came from this video. And yeah, that's everything. I hope you guys are having an amazing week so far, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Love you girls. Mwah.